What's going on, y'all? Check it out. Today, we making my famous sweet bell pepper sauce, y'all. It's so tasty. Go with so many things. But anyway, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So yeah, what we need to do first, we need to go ahead and just cut the tops of these peppers off. Now we want to try to get all the seeds out. You know, if you leave the seeds in, it's gonna hamper your ability to shoot it out that squirt bottle, y'all. Depending on what kind of squirt bottle you use. But anyway, let's get it onto our pan. Get it ready to go in that oven. Now once we get it on the pan, we're gonna hit it with a little olive oil. Go ahead and rain on it with a little salt and pepper. Give it a shaky shake for good measure to get everything blended. And now we're gonna get it into our oven. Now we want this under the broiler. It's not gonna be in the oven long, y'all. This is only just to, I guess, char the outside of that pepper to get it ready to be broke down and made into that beautiful sauce. After about no longer than 4 minutes, if you got your broiler on high like I do, this is what you should have. Oh yeah, we ready to make our sauce now, y'all. So let's get our peppers in. Now, on the salty note, and first time I made this, I was making Brussels sprouts, fried Brussels sprouts, y'all. And my wife, she was like, I want some dipping sauce. And the only thing we had was these peppers. And it really came out good. So I've been modifying it over the years. And hey, it's pretty tasty now, y'all. Now, of course, this is 1 pound of peppers. We're gonna go ahead and get our lid on. Now we would use a blender. The only thing, my blender don't feel good right now. So, to this, we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Once we get our lemon juice in, let's post it out. Now you can blend this to the consistency that you want. But right now, this isn't where I want it. But I want to give it a taste, so I know how much salt and pepper I need to add. Oh, those are some good peppers right there, y'all. Those are some good peppers. But anyway, let's add a pinch of salt. Well, 2 pinches. Little black pepper. Let's go ahead and hit the mix button. Now, with this olive oil, we're only adding in about 2 tablespoons just to get that right consistency. And then it's time to go ahead and bottle it up, y'all. Now, usually mine be a little smoother than this, but like I say, my blender's sick, y'all. And this processor couldn't get it quite as smooth. But let's see what our sauce tasting like. Now, this is simply a fried mushroom, portobello, of course. Let's get us some of that sauce, and let's give this a taste. That's exactly what I'm talking about, y'all. Now these peppers here, they seem to be a little extra sweet. I'm really liking this. But the peppers had a great taste from the start. It's just making them sing, y'all. That lemon juice bring that acid flavor. Oh yeah. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.